Humans have a significant psychological bias, especially if they're performing security or if they're making some kind of classification. A deep learning model is going to be more or less unbiased.
Traditionally, we describe artificial intelligence as intelligence related to some form of decision making.
It can't be influenced by politics. It is simply information in, information out.
It's going to be checked by data, by statistics.
That is inherently more trustable than a human who is susceptible to all of the above. AI on video is done in the cloud. In a lot of places, the cloud doesn't exist. Our systems don't rely on that internet connection. The processor inside does the distillation of image data down to much, much smaller pieces and allow it to just send those little bits of information up instead of huge gigabytes worth of picture information.
This camera can be taken way outside of the grid and perform in very remote areas.
It's got the ability to go into environments that are freezing cold, wet, to over 120 degrees Fahrenheit.
It's using high-performance computing that are able to really deploy an artificial intelligent engine where traditionally it is not possible.
That is the benefit of our system, is being able to put this into a satellite-only environment and out in the middle of the Pacific Ocean with the ability to run AI on the camera. So this camera is an extremely smart, AI-ready, industrial, weatherproof and dustproof camera.
At the same time, what is key to the DNN camera is the inference speed. So once you have a very complex model, we want to be able to take that model out into the edge case in real environments.
Some of the initial ideas we have relate to the sustainability. For example, in coffee, 38 of the top 50 countries in the world that are going through deforestation, a lot of that is because of coffee production. So a lot of what we're trying to do is inform consumers of where they buy their coffee from and how that impacts global warming and really the world that we live in.
They're using our cameras to create a machine that allows fair trade to the extreme. So it's the ability to measure coffee beans and measure their quality and gauge how much value they'll have in the market based on how they look. Our company's mantra is to use AI for good.
We really are only kind of tapping the surface of what I think AI actually is. And the most promising things have been these deep learning algorithms.
I am very excited about the future, and part of that future is enabling AI for everyone.
AI is resurfacing. We're developing deep learning models that are surpassing human capability.
And just by enabling it within this camera, we're reaching more and more people that have those ideas and allow them to bring their idea to completion.
Boulder AI is a company that takes vision and distills it down to actionable data.